I support this measure wholeheartedly, and I am especially glad to find that this silk industry, which has received protection for the last 65 years, is being given this concession further. Full stop. Silk, as you know, sir, is considered by many to be an article of luxury, and they think it is not necessary for a person to wear silk. Full stop. But we must not forget the fact that the silk industry in India is a cottage industry, and it has to be encouraged in order to give employment to people in the countryside. Full stop. This industry, at present is confined to a few states only where silk can be produced. Full stop. Valuable work is being done in this regard in the states of Karnataka, Assam and West Bengal. Full stop. The state of Kashmir too has a very fine silk industry which could be developed to a great extent, but the misfortune is that the price of cocoon which the state has fixed is not such that it can give any encouragement to the cultivators to take to the cultivation of mulberry in preference to the cultivation of food grains and other cash crops. Full stop. When I was a member of the Central Silk Board, I had occasion to visit Kashmir to attend one of its meetings of the standing committee, and I had a talk with the director of sericulture there, as also with the chief minister of Jammu and Kashmir, and I along with other members of the board, tried to impress upon the chief minister that it was very essential for the development of the silk industry in Kashmir that the purchase rate of cocoon should be increased by the state, which was a monopolist in its purchase, and he had agreed to look into the matter. Full stop. I don't know whether any improvement in raising the price has been made during the last 1.5 years or so or not. Full stop. Some of the finest varieties of silk can be produced in Kashmir. Full stop. For example, silk of a quality which can be used for parachutes could be made, and during the last war a considerable quantity of silk was produced in the state for that purpose. Full stop. Unfortunately, now the army is not getting the silk for that purpose from Kashmir to the extent that it needs. Full stop. At that meeting, when I was in Kashmir, we had a talk with the people.